Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. So I've been having too much fun 3D printing leather stamps. And in this video, I'll be making something small, simple, and fun. And that's this keychain. On one side, it's got a lucky cat stamped onto it, and on the other, it's got my initials. It's highly personalizable and easy to make. There's only two parts to the pattern, the main body, and also a sandwich that goes in between to give it volume. Alright, let's get started by cutting up some leather. Here I'm using two different thickness for the two pieces. I wouldn't suggest going any thinner, or else it'll make it look flimsy. Here I'm beveling the edges of the sandwich, so later on the main piece could take on a nice rounded edge. And this is the design we're using today. Let's dampen the leather. And stick them in the vise. Drum roll review. Nice. Now let's punch in my initials. And now that all the stamping's done, we can glue in the sandwiching piece. And when that's in place, we can gently mold the leather around it. And for the hardware, I'm using this ring with these tiny cute bells attached to it to match the theme. We can now thread the leather through the ring and glue everything together. Then trim the edges flush. And finally stitch everything together. And when that's done, we can finally bevel and burnish the piece. And there we have it. A fun little project that's highly personalizable and easy to make. Hopefully, it'll beckon fortune wherever I take it. That's it for today. If you're interested in making your own leather stamps, please check out my previous video on making a slim wallet where I go over all the steps of 3D printing your own stamps. If you like my content, please consider subscribing or hit that like button. I also really appreciate the encouraging words in the comment section. Thanks for joining me today. I'll see you next time. Bye.